Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how you can download OBS Studio in your Linux computer. Before getting to the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. uh, I know little bit something till now 2023. In October it's look like a 40 subscribers. Please reach me to 100 subscribers in this year, so please, kind request for you, please help me to reach 100 subscribers. So that's my request. Now we are going to the video. So little bit nervous after 2 months I'm creating this video, so don't worry, I'm creating my good content for you. So OBS studio, enter, then go to the OBS studio, then you find out the different operating systems. This is a free open source, so you don't want to you don't need to any payments for this software. So press the Linux, then you find out the 3 commands. Sudo apt is really this command. The second command is this. So you go into the terminal here, go to the terminal, then respectively you want to copy this first command, then control plus C, control key plus C, then go into the command interface and control shift and the V button, then you find out the command, then you want to press the enter. Then after pressing enter, the couple of minutes take to run some install some commands. After the completed the command line, you go to the second step, the second command, application down updated, control C, and sorry, yeah, control shift V. So after the press this command, it will take a couple of seconds, immediately install. Then after the complete that command, you want to copy this command, the third one. So that's the last one, I think so yeah, clean it, control shift V. It will take maybe 3 minutes. If your computer is new one, it will take 1.5 minutes. So that's enough. So see you in another video. Bye bye, thank you.